Hi friends, Sangeeta here and I'm back with another video. In this video I am going to share with you my Nykaa haul. I did a bit of shopping and I want to share it with you, and if you like this video, do give this video a thumbs up and support my channel by subscribing it. So let's get started with the haul. So this is the whole box of products. Some skincare and makeup products are there. So let's get started. The first thing I want to show you is the Pears face wash. This is how it looks, and it is the fresh renewal face wash with ultra mild with gentle exfoliating beads. I have used Pears face wash before, but not this variant, so I really wanted to try this. So we get 60 grams of products for 95 rupees, although I got a discount on this from Nykaa. So all the products I am going to show, I got a discount, so you can get discount on Nykaa. So this is the first product which I am very eager to use. The next product is Sunsilk shampoo, and this is the Radiant Shine shampoo. It's very hot and humid, and the luster of our hair actually goes away while we travel every day. We go out in the sun, so I wanted to give this shampoo a try so that the shine of my hair comes back. So I'll give this a try and let you know if I really like this shampoo. The next thing is the Maybelline New York Colossal Kajal. So this is a crushed emerald, and the other one I got is in the shade smoked silver. So both these kajals I bought it for $249 only, because I bought the smoked silver with which this crushed emerald came free with it. So this was a very good buy. And next I bought this Blue Heaven foundation in cream beige. I have never used Blue Heaven products, but I found a lot of Blue Heaven products on Nykaa and wanted to give it a try. So I bought this Blue Heaven foundation. It's plus sunscreen plus matte finish. It's oil free makeup. So its packaging is quite like the Lakme one, although that's a squat bottle and this is a rounded tall bottle. But I don't know, the packaging is not that beautiful, that nice. The next product is the Blue Heaven Silk on Face Powder Compact. So this is how it looks. It comes in this box, and from inside, okay, this is the compact, and okay, this is the compact, how it looks, and has the puff in it and also has a mirror. Then I have bought the Blue Heaven Expression Pancake. This is also a part of your makeup. I think we can use this before the foundation to make it last longer. I have not mentioned all the prices though. Let me mention it actually. The Sunsilk Co-Creation shampoo was for 60 rupees. I got it for 48 rupees, I think. I'm not sure about it. And this thing, like the Blue Heaven foundation, compact and pancake, all three together was a combo pack of 230 rupees. So let me show this. Can't open this, very tight. Okay, so this is how it looks. Pretty nice box actually. Okay, so let me open it. It has a very small sponge. Yeah, this is a sponge, and this is the pancake, how it looks. So it has a small lid, plastic lid, extra plastic lid. Then you put the sponge on it, and then it is closed like this. It looks pretty good. So the packaging looks very fancy, and the price is also pretty low. Both of these are for 95 each, and I think this is a pretty good buy, although I have not used it, but if you keep such fancy things on your vanity, it looks pretty good. So let's move on. I have also bought the Blue Heaven Expressions makeup stick. So this is actually a concealer. It comes in a box like this, and this is the concealer stick. Looks a bit weird though. Yeah, so this is the concealer. I've bought the rose or no, this is blush. This is number 2, coded number 2, and this is how it looks. So this is a roll-on stick, and this is a concealer. I am not sure how much this is for. Just let me check it. Okay, this also is priced for 95 rupees. So I will try all this, and if I like the Blue Heaven products, I will definitely let you know. And let's move on. I also bought the Blue Heaven. This is the lip balm. This is how it looks very pretty. That is the only reason I bought it, because I am in love with Maybelline Baby Lips Forever. It actually looks like the EOS balm, but it is a lot cheaper. It's just for 85 rupees. So this is the bubble gum. This has the bubble gum smell, and hopefully I will like using it because this smells very nice. Yeah. And the next product, this is the last Blue Heaven product I have bought, and actually have put this lip color on my lips now. This is actually acting as a very nude lip shade because I have dark pigmented lips, but I like the packaging. It's very fantastic packaging actually. And this is in the shade Cherry Wine. The code number is 243. This is the Blue Heaven lip color, and this, you will find this in the liquid lipstick, and this is how the wand looks. The color is actually pretty nice as a nude shade, definitely if you have dark lips on like mine. And then my second last buy was this Maybelline Color Show nude nail paint, and this nail paint, I wanted to use it for a longer time and cannot find it anywhere close to my house in any shops. This was not available anywhere. Finally I bought it online, and this was priced 110 rupees, but I bought it for just 94 rupees. So that was also a good buy. And the last thing is the LA Eaton Color Pops lipstick. This is in the shade Rosy Blush, and the code number is 27. I bought this for 100 rupees, and yeah, this actually costs 120 rupees, but you get 20 rupees of offer on it. So this is how the lipstick looks. It does not look to be rosy, it's pretty red lipstick, and it has the center of the cocoa butter. Hopefully I will like using it. So I have used LA Eaton lipsticks before, but I have tried the pinks or the browns, but this is looking very dark red. I'm not sure how it will look on my lips though. I will give it a try and let you know if I really like this red lipstick. And so that is the haul. If you have liked this haul, do give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon in my next video. If you have liked these things, you can also buy these from Nykaa, so I will try to put the link in the description box below. Till then, take care, bye.